In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MatchTrader to TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to sign into your MatchTrader account, and then from here, you want to go to the Trade button top left. And what's great about this is you actually don't have to even go to the TradingView platform or website, and that's because you can enable the TradingView chart automatically here inside MatchTrader. So to connect it, all you have to do, go to the Trade tab, open your chart, and then go to the top right over here where you can see the TradingView logo. Toggle this by clicking over here, and there we go. You've successfully connected MatchTrader to TradingView, and you can use their charts over here directly inside MatchTrader. So you can see, of course, you can use drawings, you can use time intervals, chart types, indicators, you can compare symbols, full screen them, set different chart settings. There's pretty much everything you can do inside TradingView directly over here on MatchTrader's website and dashboard, which is amazing. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.